Welcome to the MobiusFlow Toolbox overview. In this video we'll take you through the key features and functionalities of the MobiusFlow Toolbox to help get you started quickly. To connect your MobiusFlow Toolbox to a MobiusFlow Engine, enter the host location of the MobiusFlow Engine. This can be found under Instance Details in the MobiusFlow Manager. If you're using a MobiusFlow hosted instance, this address may already be populated. Make sure that it has the port number at the end of the address as shown here. Enter your username and password, then click on Login. Once logged in, Toolbox will be linked to the selected MobiusFlow engine, allowing full interaction. The dashboard is your landing page and provides a quick summary of your MobiusFlow instance. The header displays the connected MobiusFlow engine. The main menu on the left allows navigation through different tabs. This can be expanded or collapsed to suit your requirements. The footer shows the MobiusFlow engine and Toolbox version details, the license usage and the amount of points used, and its connection status. To sign out, click on the button in the top right hand corner and click on Sign Out. Navigate to Configuration to access the service settings. A MobiusFlow service is a modular component within the MobiusFlow ecosystem that performs specific functions, such as data collection, processing, or integration with external systems. Each service operates independently but can interact with other services and objects within a MobiusFlow instance. To add a new service, open the service library and click on the plus button. To configure the service settings, ensure they are correctly set. You can click on Save when done. You can also start or stop services using the play and stop buttons. To delete a service, click the trash icon, confirm the deletion by entering the service's URI and click on Confirm. Expand a service to view and configure objects. An object is a component within a MobiusFlow service that represents a specific data point, device such as a switch or an air quality sensor, or function within the system. Objects store and manage real-time data, making them essential for monitoring and controlling various aspects of a smart building or IoT setup. Objects are organized by type and can be displayed in different views. To add an object, open the object library and click on the plus. To configure object settings and ensure they meet requirements, you can click here. Once you're happy, you can click on Save. You will need to restart or hot reload services to apply these changes. You can also duplicate the objects by specifying the number of copies and starting instance ID. To delete an object, enter the object's URI in the confirmation box. A MobiusFlow resource is a specific data point within a MobiusFlow object that represents a measurable or controllable value. Resources are the lowest level components in the MobiusFlow hierarchy and are essential for monitoring and interacting with devices. You can click on a resource to edit its present value. Adjust priority levels by clicking on a value. You can accept these changes by clicking the green tick or discard them using the red cross. And click on Close when you've finished. You can view additional resources by using the three-dot menu on the right-hand side. And you can modify resource configuration settings and save a change in here. Please remember though, after you've saved a change, a hot reload is required for updates to take effect. Creating flows. Navigate to the Flows tab. You can expand flows into a new browser tab for a better workspace if you wish to do so by clicking here. You can use nodes from the node library to build automation flows. So an example would be connecting MobiusFlow to a cloud platform. To do this, you would need to add an inject node, add a cloud format node, add an Azure IoT hub, and connect them together. You then add the settings by double-clicking on the node, and then once you've got all the correct details in place, you would then click on Deploy. Access the Administration tab to manage system settings. You can use Backup and Restore to save or restore a MobiusFlow instance. For user management, use search filters to find users. Click Add User to create a new account, and modify user roles and passwords as needed. You can also delete users if required. The License tab provides details about the applied MobiusFlow license. Well, hopefully that covers a very brief overview of the MobiusFlow Toolbox. Please visit our website for more information or check out our further videos on our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.